Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So put the colors like this. Now make the branch of the tree using brown color. Now after that make few more as such around it like this. Now on the top make a sun using red paper or the red color. Now take a blue sheet and then using blue color make the mountains like this. Sprinkle some paper pieces to make the flowers and leaves like this. Make some birds and it's ready. Next take a brown paper, tear it like this in the shape and then paste the yellow color circular paper and the branch of the tree. Now draw the lines over it and using green color paper cut it like this in the small pieces to make the leaves like this. Paste it all over the branches of the tree and draw the lines on it like this. Now after that put the grasses on the downside using the crayon colors. Put the clay white balls like this to make the flamingos like this. Make their legs and make their beak, eyes and it's ready. Next, put a yellow color paper to make a sun. Now, apply the blue, green and yellow color like this and different shades of orange, red on the downside all over the sheet like this. Now, put the yellow color in the between of the white circular shape like this. Now, make the black lines like this using black crayon color and make the shades as shown in the video. Give the shades very carefully as shown and then make some birds on the sky and it's ready. Look how beautiful it's looking. Next, take paper pieces like this and paste them. Now put a white color paper and then on the top of the shapes we'll be putting the shape of a triangle to make the houses. Make their doors and windows. Now put the brown dots on the white path like this to make their path. Now after that you can make some trees over the top like this and then put some leaves over it and it's ready. Next, take a red color paper, paste it. Now take a wooden cardboard sheet and paste it like this. Now using the sponge, put the white color on the red part. Now make the branch of the tree. Now take the red color clay balls and make the flowers out of it. Put the yellow color clay and then make the lines over the clay like this to make the flowers. Make few more as such and paste them over the branches of the tree like this. Put some small balls as well and it's done. Next, draw the lines in the between of a circular white sheet like this and fill it with the color. Put the white dots in the between. Now take a yellow color paper, tear it like this and then paste it. Put the triangle shape and different shapes of paper of different colors, tear it and paste it. Now draw the lines on it to make the trees. Make the branches as well using the black or brown marker like this. Color it carefully and then put some red color dots to make the leaves around it like this and it's ready. Next, put a branch using black color paper or brown color paper, paste it. Apply the double-sided tape over the white sheet. Now put the leaf pieces like this or paper pieces. Now take a leaf and cut it and paste it on the white part like this. Make the face of a girl, make its hairs, make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs and hands or just sprinkle the leaf pieces like this and it's ready. Next, take a dry stick and paste it. Now make the branches of the tree. Now take a green color leaf and paste it in the front of it and on the sides to make the leaves of the tree. Now after that, you can make some flowers as well and paste it. Apply the double-sided glue or the glue on the sides of the leaf like this in the manner as shown in the video and sprinkle the salt like this to make the snow. Remove the extra salt and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.